Oh, you guys won't believe that I chose not to interlock my hair for 7 months. And I want to talk about like the pros and cons of doing that. But I want to share that journey with you. And if you're interested, keep watching. Duh. So let's get into it. Hello, my lovely lock minions, and those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Umfan. I'm a teacher, dancer, and hair guru for locks. And on this channel, we're going to talk about my journey of not interlocking for 7 months and my 4 year and 7 month lock update. If you're interested, thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, duh, and come back to my channel, Locs, for you to love. So I retwist not retwist, but I interlock my hair every year. Well, no, let me correct myself. I interlock my hair every 6 months. I do a deep cleanse with my locks at the end of the year. So the last time that I interlocked my hair was December 24th, 2023. And during this journey, I want to talk about what I experienced. So one thing that I've experienced with interlocking and the length of my hair is tender-headedness, if that's even a word. My scalp has become more tender, and with that, that's why I decided not to interlock my hair as much and just let my hair grow, and that has been working out really well for me. The other thing that I noticed through the journey of me not interlocking my hair as much, because my hair is heavier, the new growth tends to stretch, and that's mainly in the back because the front of my hair doesn't mind, but it stretches, and what happens, it thins out the new growth attached to the lock, and for that is a con, you hear me? A con that does not work well with my hair, which means that I have to interlock my hair at least once every 3 months opposed to once every 7 months. The front of my hair benefits because, for those of you that don't know, when I stress out, my hair tends to fall out in the front, in the middle, and in the side. And that's if I don't manage and balance my work-life balance, if that makes any sense. That's why I work out, that's why I dance, and I rest and do the things that I need to incorporate to balance out the stresses of life. And so, with that being said, with those problem areas, I don't touch those as much, but everything else I try to keep on a schedule. Within the 7 months, my hair grew about 2 inches, which was a lot for me. And I feel like my hair's in the phase of just growing. I will share some pictures from when I started my lock journey, from when I progressed over the years, and you will see the difference between the 3rd year and the 4th year. My hair just grew out of nowhere, and I just don't know where that came from. But I do know that there's some things that I've been implementing, which is my diet, physical activity, and just taking care of myself as a whole. So I think that plays a big role on the growth of my hair and understanding what works for my hair and what does not work for my hair. Another thing that I notice is my hair thrives in locks. It doesn't mean it did not thrive when I was a loose natural, but the fact that I don't touch my hair as much gives my room the opportunity to just grow. And I love that. The other, I don't know if it's a pro or con. The con that I don't like about not interlocking my hair for a while would be the amount of time that it takes for me to interlock one lock just to move on to the next lock. Because it's 2 inches, I have to just continue working on this lock until it gets close enough to my scalp. I don't like my lock to be too tight, but I like it to be tight enough to know that the hair is intact. And so I'm just gonna show you a little bit. I don't know if it's a close-up, but this is my hair interlocked, and this is how tight I have it. To me, it's still loose. Like, I can feel that I could just have done a couple more passes through my hair, but that's enough for me, and that is what makes me happy and content. But if that doesn't work for you, again, you got to figure out what works for you and what makes you happy. So with the 7 months of me not interlocking my hair, I have learned that I will start interlocking my hair once every 3 to 4 months instead of holding off to 7 months. Also, I have learned that I'm tender-headed now, and that my hair just thrives when it's left alone. And I appreciate that journey that I went through. I had some hairs in the back. I had to use a crochet hook to fix the damaged pieces because I waited so long to interlock my hair in the back. Because those pieces are smaller, they tend to just be like hanging for life. They're like, help me. They need more of a foundation. So yes, that is a lesson learned. So let's talk about my 4-year lock update. So my hair, I feel like, has grown maybe like 4 inches since January, which is crazy to me. I could be wrong, but I will have a picture right next to my 3-year mark of the end of December to where I am now, and you let me know how many inches you think that is. Comment below and tell me. But my hair has grown. Over time, I also learned that my scalp does not like oil on it, so I stay away from oil being placed on my scalp. I do still put oil on my hair, but I came up with a routine. The products that I use is aloe vera gel, aloe vera juice, rose water. I do use a leave-in conditioner, but I mix it with that liquid, and I use honey and I spray it on my hair, and I seal it with either coconut oil or my old school oil that doesn't bother me, Blue Magic. And that works well for my hair, and my hair thrives. You hear me? The next thing I want to work on is the bald spots that I have on the side. They're not really bald spots anymore. So again, for those of you that don't know, when I stress out, my hair falls out. And the common areas are the sides, the middle of my head, and then like the front. And so when that happened, I think in March of last year, I was stressing because I went through a really horrible breakup, and that took me out, but God saved me. So I just shaved the sides of my heads, and then I just realized I actually like what this looks like. the process of it growing back, the back of my head right here grew back quick. The front did not grow back as quickly as I thought. So what I've been doing is putting black castor oil on it, massaging it, and just leaving it alone. Let it just live its life. And when it grows to a certain length, I just cut it to keep it to a certain a size, and that works best for me, and I love it. So I'm gonna continue with those routines with the front of my hair, the middle of my hair, and just go from there. Other than that, that has been the only issue really I had, but I don't really even consider it an issue. I just consider it part of the journey. And what else? The last time I dyed my locks were in February. I dyed my hair, and it was like jet black. It was a beautiful color. The henna dye only lasts for so long and then it goes away. But the main reason for me dyeing my locks with a natural color dye is to dye the length. I feel like once I dye the length stays that color, and then my hair goes back to its original color, and I'm fine with that. Let's see, what else? I do not wear my hair up as much because my hair is getting heavier. I am considering, not anytime soon, but I'm considering cutting my hair because I miss the shorter lock style. I don't know about you, but something about having the shorter locks, it was just fun, funky, spunky. I love that, and I enjoyed that size, but I also enjoyed this size too. So we'll see where that leads me in my life. What I have been wearing more of are hats. I love hats. I don't know what happened in this journey, but I used to not like them at all, and I love them now. So I just love wearing hats. Yeah, that's about it. That's my lock journey. I've been locked for 4 years and 7 months, and I am enjoying this journey, and I want to continue it. I will show you my length of my hair. The front of my hair, I've cut these two, and I tried to merge these two together because they were smaller. I think I might have to merge one more, but I have to play around with these. But these are the only ones I merged together and cut them because they were longer. I didn't merge any other locks. So let me show you my length right now. So we'll do the front. So this is the front of my hair. This is this side. I don't know if you can see this, but this side. Let me look, can you see? Kinda. This is the other side. It's like to my nipple. Yeah, to my nipple. And then I'll show you the back. And this is the back. I feel like I can touch my hair now. So bra strap length. So long as when I can actually touch it now. But I hope you enjoyed, and if you like seeing more videos like this, come back to my channel. Locs for you to love.